In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Outlook to a CSV or Excel file. Whether you're looking to back up your information, share it with others, or simply want to manage your contacts outside of Outlook, exporting your contacts into a spreadsheet format is a straightforward process. We'll guide you through each step so you can perform this task with ease. Let's begin by opening your Microsoft Outlook desktop application. Make sure you're using the classic interface, as the newer versions might have slightly different steps. Once you have your Outlook open, it's time to start the export process. You'll want to head towards the top left corner of your screen and click on the File menu. This is your gateway to various options available in Outlook. Once you click on that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and from there, you're going to select Open and Export. Once Open and Export is chosen, the next thing you'll want to do is click on Import/Export. This feature is incredibly versatile, allowing you to bring data into Outlook, or as we'll be doing today, export it out. Following that selection, you'll be presented with a list of actions. Here, you'll find the option Export to a File. This is exactly what we need, so go ahead and click on it. You'll now need to decide the format in which you want to save your contacts. You have two straightforward choices: comma-separated values, or simply CSV, and Microsoft Excel. If you plan to use the file with other email platforms or import it into other CRM systems, CSV might be the more universal choice. On the other hand, if you intend to manage or visually analyze the data in Excel, then selecting the Excel format could be more beneficial. Whichever you choose, make sure you click on your preferred option to proceed. With your file type selected, it's time to pick which contacts you want to export. If you only need a specific folder, you have the option to narrow it down. But usually, you might be looking to export your entire contact list. Simply select the contact folder you wish to export, and then it's on to the next step. Now, you'll need to designate a location where you'd like your exported file to be saved. Choose a spot that's easy for you to remember or access, such as your desktop or a dedicated folder for exported data. After you've named your file and selected its location, all that's left is to hit Finish. Your Outlook contacts are now being exported. Once the process completes, you will be able to open your newly created file in Excel or another program that supports these formats. This is a great opportunity to double check that all your contacts have transferred successfully. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully exported your Outlook contacts to a CSV or Excel file. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.